So I'm replacing the plug on my 2008 Chevy Tahoe, and I ended up pulling the fender cover off because it's really tough to get it from the top. When you pull it off, it's, as you can see right there, that's 1, 2, 3, and the number 8 plug is way back. I don't know if you can even see it in the camera back there. It's like way in there. And what I end up doing is that I push the extension through here. I use a swivel connector. It really was a pain to get it out. Easy to get it back in, surprisingly. But I think the easiest way to get it is to get it through the fenders. Otherwise than that, if you gotta go through the top, you really can't even see back there. I mean, I know some guys have gone through the top and get it. Not sure how they did it, but it must be really tough. And I find the easiest way to do it is to go through the fender. And that's what I did. I took it off. It's a whole lot of screws. One of them is a star connector. I can find the extension to show you. Just right here. And I believe the other one you need is a number 10, and one more. This looks like an 8. I understand why GM have so many parts under the just to get a fender cover off. So many tools. And that's how I was able to get the plugs off. These are the plugs that came off. They're not bad. They got 100,000 miles on them, surprisingly. They don't look too bad. Oh man, I know it's a pain to get a number 8 plug off, but I feel the easiest way to get it is to take the fender off, the fender cover off, and go from the bottom up. Try to get that out, but it's still a challenge to get it out. But I was able to get it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.